Welcome back to Virtual Reality. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. This is another video of Quest 2 accessories stuff, and this time from VR cover. So the first thing is we have a minimal foam replacement kit, and with this we can make the field of view of the Quest 2 bigger, so we see more of the virtual environment. The second thing is we have an Elite strap foam replacement here. The next thing is we have a cable from a VR cover, and the last thing is we have a spacer to have more space between your eyes and the lenses for people that wear glasses under the Quest 2. We will check everything out. You will find everything about VR and AR on this channel, thanks to my sponsors, VoodooDE VR, Oppermann Events, Peter Wasmeier, Virtual Escape and Adams Group. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go!
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, so let's check this out. Let's start with the Elite strap foam pad. This only works when you have the Elite strap with or without battery. And you see it here, you just place it in the inner rubber band stuff here. Just put it around it, and here's also a small hole for the head strap. And then it's really comfortable. Yeah, I already tried that and play with that, and it's much more comfortable like just the rubber stuff here, the original from the Elite strap. It's very, very comfortable, and I definitely leave it there because it's much more fun to play with it. The price is 19 euro, 19 bucks. Of course, the prices from VR cover are a little bit high. I know this, but the quality is pretty good, and the alternatives are, there are not many alternatives. So yeah, it's your decision, of course. 19 bucks is a lot, but for me, for the Elite strap foam pad, it's totally worth it. I really love it. You can find all the links for the stuff in the description below. And yeah, just look at this. It's cool. So this was the first thing. The second thing is you can make the field of view bigger from the Oculus Quest 2 with a special foam kit. So this here is the original so-called facial interface from VR cover. It's just this part here with the two foam pads, and you get this for 29 bucks. You definitely need this also for the minimal foam replacement kit. So this is the standard for everything. You also need this later for the spacer I will show you. This you need definitely. You can get this in different colors like black and red and stuff. 29 bucks. This is what you need. And then now we have the so-called minimal foam replacement kit. And I will show you the difference. So just remove it from the interface. And then I will show you, this is the kit that are two. So, wait, which one is? Look at this. Look at this. Look at the difference. Wow. Look at this. This is the minimal foam replacement kit, and this is the original one. Look, this is so thin. This is really thin. And now we can put it on the facial interface adapter here from VR cover, like this. Here we go. And then just put it like always. Here we go, here we go, here we go. This is how it looks, and you can already see this is really thin, really thin. And when I put it on my head, in the minimal IPD setting for the lenses, I can already feel that these lenses are touching my nose a little bit. It's not uncomfortable, but I can really notice that, and that means that my eyes are very close to the lenses. And of course I already made a comparison. So for the standard foam that comes with the Oculus Quest 2 and the standard VR cover foam, we have, or I have, a horizontal field of view of 88 and a vertical field of view of 108. Please note, these values are very individual. It depends on your head shape, the eyes and stuff. But I just want to show you the difference. So vertical 108, horizontal 88 with this and the original one. So with the minimal foam replacement kit, I have a field of view of horizontal 94 and vertical 116. So this is definitely much more. 8% vertical and 4% horizontal. And instantly when you put it on your head and you watch some environment like Skyrim or whatever, you would definitely see a difference. You see much more from the environment. So this is definitely worth it. I can tell you, so cool. The problem is when I recorded this video, it was not on the market yet. So I don't know the price. So I guess it will be $19, the same price as this foam replacement kit, but I'm not sure. I only guess that it will be $19. You will find the link in the description below to VR cover stuff. And this one and this one I definitely recommend. It's really cool. So this is the second thing. The third thing is they have a cable now. This is a USB-C cable. This is a 90-degree plug here. And yeah, I also have no idea about the price. It's not out yet, but I guess like $10 or whatever. The problem here is you cannot really use it as an Oculus Link cable because it's only 2 meters. I have no idea why they should do that. I mean, when I want to play Half-Life Alyx connected to PC, I want to walk around here and whatever. And with 2 meters, this is not possible. You can only use that for data transfer or for perhaps if you play seated, some simulations, then you can use it. But 2 meters are definitely too short. So I cannot really recommend this as an Oculus Link cable. Perhaps they have some longer cables as well, but this one not. And the last thing is for people that wear glasses, big glasses, heavy glasses or whatever. And then we have the so-called facial interface spacer. And this is this small plastic piece here. It comes between the Quest and the original VR cover interface. And this is $9. This is a lot for a piece of plastic, right? But yeah, it works. So I will show you how to do that. So you're gonna just remove the original VR cover interface, this one, and then you just put it between that. So let's just put it here. This is how it looks then. You don't even see it, right? And then put this again there. You can see it a little bit here, there. And now you have 4.3 millimeters more space between the lenses and your eyes. So when you put it on your head, you already notice that you are very far away from the lenses, and that means you can put very big glasses under the Quest 2. But there's of course a disadvantage. The field of view is lower, much lower than with the original VR cover interface and with the original Quest 2 interface. So this is of course the disadvantage. I can tell you with the spacer, with the glasses spacer, I have a horizontal field of view of only 76 compared to 88 and a vertical field of view of 96 compared to 108. So this is a huge negative difference, but if you want to wear the big glasses, you can do that and it works, of course. So $9 for the facial interface spacer. That was everything I could show you. You can find the link in the description below. Just to tell you again, the Headstrap foam pad is $19. The normal interface here is $29 that you really need for all the stuff. Then the minimal foam replacement, I think it will be $19. The cable, I think it will be 10 bucks, and the facial interface spacer for people wearing glasses is 9 bucks. Would be really great if you order your stuff via my link in the description, so I get a little bit of that, but you will not pay anything extra. Thank you so much for your support, and give me a thumbs up, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE